Perfect your prompt with Copilot for Microsoft 365 in the age of AI-powered productivity. Microsoft 365's Copilot is transforming the way we work, write, and create, whether you're drafting emails, summarizing reports, or generating creative content. Copilot can help streamline tasks and boost efficiency, however. To get the best results from Copilot, crafting the perfect prompt is essential. This guide will help you refine your prompts to maximize Copilot's potential. What is Copilot for Microsoft 365? Copilot for Microsoft 365 is an AI-powered assistant integrated into Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams. It leverages advanced AI models to help users with writing, data analysis, email management, and collaboration. By providing clear and structured prompts, you can ensure Copilot generates accurate and useful responses. Why is prompting important? AI tools like Copilot rely on user inputs to generate responses. A vague or unclear prompt may lead to irrelevant or generic results. A well-crafted prompt, on the other hand, ensures Copilot understands your intent and delivers precise and actionable content. How to write the perfect prompt: be clear and specific instead of write a business email. Try write a professional email to a client about a project delay, apologizing and providing a revised timeline. A specific prompt helps Copilot generate content that fits your exact needs. Define the tone and style instead of write a summary. Try write a concise and professional executive summary of this report in a formal tone, indicating tone formal, friendly, persuasive ensures the output aligns with your audience. Provide context and details instead of create a report on sales. Try generate a summary report of Q1 sales for the marketing department, highlighting key trends and insights. More context leads to more relevant and insightful content. Use step-by-step instructions instead of analyze this data. Try analyze the sales data and provide a summary of key trends, growth areas, and potential challenges. Breaking down tasks improves accuracy and relevance. Refine and iterative. The first result isn't perfect. Tweak your prompt. Example: rewrite this email in a more persuasive tone. Iterating helps Copilot learn your preferences and improve output quality. Using Copilot in different Microsoft 365 apps or draft reports, summarize content, and rewrite text with enhanced clarity. Excel, analyze data, create charts, and generate insights from complex spreadsheets. Outlook, draft emails, summarize long email threads, and suggest replies. Teams, generate meeting summaries, draft responses, and streamline communication. Final thoughts: mastering prompt writing is key to unlocking Copilot's full potential. By crafting clear, detailed, and goal-oriented prompts, you can enhance productivity and get high-quality results. With practice, Copilot will become a powerful AI assistant tailored to your workflow. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more relevant information on Microsoft 365 or productivities. Thank you.